Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to see the type of candlestick patterns as we see in the earlier video. But today also we are going to continue the previous lecture. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Hope my screen is visible to you. So I'll do a quick revision what we studied in the earlier class. Firstly, we saw simple candlesticks which have open, high, low and close. Then we saw bar charts in the previous lecture which is also have open, high, low and close. But here we get this horizontal lines right and left. For details you can see the previous lecture. Then we saw hollow candles which is also like simple candlesticks but the upward trend is hollow and the lower trend is solid. Then we saw this line candle which shows only the close price, not the open, high, low and close. Then we see the time frame 1 minute, 2 minute, 10 minutes, etc. etc. Okay. So these are the things we saw in the last lecture. Now we are going to continue. Now we are going to continue the lecture with different type of candlesticks. Firstly, let's not see this in the live chart. Let's go back. Okay, this is fine. This is the July chart is going on. Okay, so now we'll see what are the step line candles. This is the step line candle. Step line candles are nothing, but they are like simple candles, but they are continuous, as you can see. Step line candles are continuous candles where the if the price hike happens or if the price goes down. Suppose you can see here the price hike happens. If the price hike happens, it will go up vertically, and if the price stayed in the same point, then it will be vertical. It will be horizontal. If the price goes up, it will went up with the price vertical. If the price remains at the same level, it will remain in the same level. And if the price went down, it will also come down by the vertical level. Similarly, this is the simple step line candle. Similarly, we'll move forward with the area candle. See, this is, wait. This is nothing but the area candle. A area candle is a line chart where the space under the line filled. Wait. This is the area candle, okay? Where the space under which, this is the space under which it is filled with a similar color. Suppose here you can see it is filled with a blue color. So the market is moving like this and the space below this is filled with a similar color. Why we are using, this is not the point of this lecture. The point of this lecture is what are these candles, how many types of candles are there, how they are using, what they are doing. This is the point of this lecture. After this, we will go to HLC chart, HLC area chart. This is nothing but the HLC area chart. Now, what is this HLC area chart? HLC means, as the name suggests, H means high, L means low, and C means close. So, usually, when we go to the normal candles, we see OHLC means open, high, low, and close. But when we go to the HLC area, we will see only high, low, and close, not open, high, low, and close. It is high, low, and close. So here we are seeing three lines. Wait. We'll zoom it and see this. Here very much visible three lines. First line is made up of the first line. See this red line. Okay, this is made up of the low price. This white line is made up of the close price, and this green line is made up of the all high prices. So this we call as HLC chart, where this green line is nothing but all the high prices, how it moves. White line is nothing but all the close prices, how it moves. And red line is nothing but all the low prices, how it moves. This we call as HLC chart. If you want a definition, I will give you the proper definition. The proper definition is bar style chart. Okay, bar style chart that shows only the high, low, and close prices for each time period. It does not display the open price. This is for 1 minute time period. If I do this it's like this, it's a chart view. Okay, this will be for 2 minute time period. No, I don't want. Yes, this is the jewel. This is for 2 minute time period. If I go for 5 minutes, this is for 5 minute time period, and so on. If I go for day candle, if I go for 1 month, this is for 1 month time period. Hope this suits you well. It is very much visible to you. This is for 1 hour time period. As you can see, it is very much visible to you. I feel this is for the 1 hour time period. Now, if we move forward, then the next chart is nothing but the baseline candle chart. A baseline candle. See this. Wait. This is. If we go here, this is the baseline. Okay. A baseline candlestick chart is basically a candlestick chart combined with a baseline. Okay, I know this is the name that it suggests. Combined with a baseline. A baseline is nothing but a horizontal reference line that makes it easy to see how the price moves above the baseline and below the baseline. So what is the baseline? A baseline is nothing. See, here you can see this is the baseline, above which it is showing green color, below which it is showing red color. So the baseline is nothing but a horizontal line that we set. Yeah, we can decide that what should be our baseline. Supposedly, wait. I want my baseline to be here. Okay. The price above the baseline is nothing but the candle area above are shown in one color, and the prices below the baseline, candles and area that are shown below the baseline. Like above this baseline, the candle is showing is in green color, and below this baseline, the candle is showing is in red color. So this is nothing but the baseline chart area where you decide a baseline. Suppose you are thinking that, oh, this is my baseline. If the price goes above this, I'll do this selling or buying something. If the price will be below this, I'll do this selling or buying something. So to decide the baseline and just see the clear view of market rather than open, high, low, and close, rather than the normal candle, this is the baseline chart where we use if you want just a baseline reference that above this if this will go I'll do this, below this if this will remain below this I will do this. So for this baseline chart is used. Okay, after this we'll go to the column chart. See what is the name of this chart? This is nothing but the column chart, a type of chart that shows the price movements using vertical columns. Instead of candlesticks or lines, we use vertical red and green columns to show the chart. Is it also showing the market? Of course it is showing the market only. So why is the green column and red column is used? Green column. Wait, I'll write it here. Green column is used when close is greater than open. And red column is used when the close price is less than open. I hope that this is very much clear to you. The green column is when the close price is greater than the open price, and the red column is when the close price is less than the open price. I'll zoom this column and show this to you. This is the green column when the close price is greater than the open price, which means the close price is greater than the open price. When it went up, then it is green column. When the close price is less than the open price, then it will show the red column. I hope you understand this very well. Now we'll go further. We'll move further. So, for a quick revision, what we read now, we read step line chart, area chart, Chelsea chart, baseline chart, and now column chart. These are the five charts that we read now. Now we'll move further and we'll see high low candle. Okay, remove all the drawings. Let's go to the candle, and this is nothing but a high low candle. It is a simplified price chart that only shows the high and low for each time period. What are the time periods? These are the time periods. Okay. So it is simplified price chart that only shows the high and low for each time period. It does not display open or close. It only shows the high and low for a similar time period. Suppose like this normal color, what it shows open, high, low and close with two different colors. But no, it is different from the normal candles. Why it is different from the normal candle? The high-low candles, as the name suggests, its name says high-low candles. So it only shows the high and the low in the candle. So suppose if we go to any candle, if I put arrow on this, see. So what it shows, just the high and the low of a simple candle. And it shows a simple candle in a single color, and it only shows the high and the low irrespective of the open, high, low and close. No, it only shows the high and low and in a single color. That's why we call it a high low candle. Now after this we are going to say, wait, where are my candles? I think this will take some time to load. I think there is some problem in my session volume profile candle. So I don't know why the volume profile is not opening. Must open. What happened? Okay. Wait. Yeah, okay. It opened. This is the session volume profile candle, and the explanation and notes for this candle is very much deep, and it's a very important candle. So this I'm not going to cover in this session. Firstly, we have to study the basic candlestick patterns like this the session volume profile candle. I will just give you a hint, a, a little bit hint of this candle, and we're going to end this session. I'm not going to go further in this candle because before going to that, it is a little bit. It's not a little bit. It is a very lengthy. It is a very lengthy concept. So I have to explain you all about this volume profiles. What are these lines? Why is this happening? Why this candles just change? Normally candles are in vertical. Why this candle is horizontal? So this I'm just giving you introduction. So session volume profile candle is a proper a session wait. A session volume profile candle style. It is not just a candle. It is a type of indicator. Okay. So session volume profile style indicator that shows how much trading volume. Okay. How much trading volume occurred at different price. at different price levels for each trading session, whether it is day, hourly, weekly, customized. Okay, so the session volume profile candle. Suppose here is a big candle. Okay, here is a big candle, and all the prices from where it is studying 57,145 and it is 56,476. Suppose the price starts from there, went from there, and many trade happens in different prices. So this volume session volume profile candle divides the session and represents you how much traded volume will be there in each profile. So this is a little bit complicated candle. But today I'm not going to discuss this candle. Firstly, we will go through very basics in a very beginner level. After some time, we'll go to this complicated candles. So I hope this session is very much clear to you and you enjoyed it. So thank you so much for joining and thanks for joining. We'll continue all these candles in different sessions. Now I'm going to be going on live market now. So thank you so much. Happy and no loss trading.